Kenya itanyite kuhukia kaimana utambia wa murimo wa mukingo gukinyiria mwaka wa 2030 na njira ya gutigirira gutiri arwaru ero a murimo uyu. Kwa ihinda riri gikiro kia murimo uyu kirugamire gicunji kia 3.7 harĩ igana. Aya ari arwaru milioni 1,377,784 na banene yao ari atumia na gicunji kia 5.3 harĩ igana na arume na gicunji kia 2.6 harĩ igana. Kuringana na gikundi gya kuhurana na murimo uyu guku bururi-ini NSDCC ihinda-ini ria miaka 10 mihituku na baya arwaru ero a murimo uyu cokete thi na gicunji kia 78 harĩ igana kuma arwaru 1,444 na mwaka wa 2013 kinyagia arwaru 22,154 mwaka muhituku.
Because we are seeing positives in terms of reduction of early childhood pregnancies. We are seeing instances where there's a reduction in specific areas in terms of new infections, and that is what we are doing to ensure that we maintain that.
Counties such as Kisumu, Siaya, Homa Bay, Migori, those are counties that were worst hit by this epidemic. With the time, because of programming, because of engagement and awareness and sensitization, the stigma levels in that region have gone low.
No ona namba ino igicokaga thi mbeu njithi mari ugwati-ini munene makiria wa utambania wa murimo uyu. Mwaka muhituku gicunji kia 41 harĩ igana kia andu agima 17,680 aria makurikanite ta arwaru eru a murimo uyu mari mbeu njithi agatagati ka ukuru wa miaka 15 na 24.
There is very poor outcome on ART among adolescents, and one of them is the reason would be because they cannot easily access the medication, especially when they are in school, and the issues of stigma, discrimination in the educational facilities.
We're looking at other key interventions that we can be able to take forward. Prevention then encompasses everybody.
Gatagati ga kaunti iri togoretie na makiria ya gicunji kia 59 harĩ igana kia utambia wa murimo gatagati ka mbeu njithi ari kaunti ya Githumo, Githii, Machakos, Kitui, Laikipia, Kirinyaga na Lamu. Ugwati uyu wa murimo wa mukingo gatagati ka mbeu njithi oho ukiuma na thutha na namba nene ya airitu anini kuohanda orudumwe na bara cia kimicii na kuringana na uthuthuria mbeu njithi aingi aria makurikana na murimo uyu matieyumiragia kurigitwo na aria mambiriria kurigitwo matithiaga na mbere na kunyua dawa magitigira guthekererwo na kunyururio angi makiaga gukinyirwo ni dawa riria mari thukuru-ini angi nao makiaga umenyo wa kuria mafatie gucaria uteithio.
They are scared of having their peers know the HIV status. Probably they are in school, they are not able to quickly access medication. So there are those treatment interruptions. That is why it is at 69%. And for the overall population, 94%. So you can see that gap. It tells you they are not accessing medication as they should.
Habini Kameme TV kitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.